talking to my brother about how I came up with a cure for the hiccups. And of course I have hiccups now. But don't worry. I always have a banana on hand. Literally. Always. Give me a sec. Wait for it. Cold banana. Fucking cold. Hold on. For science. Wait for it. No hiccups.